Ready to see something really cool? Desmos is one graphing calculator we can use to solve quadratic equations. Don't worry, I know it sounds big, but once you see it, you'll be like, oh, this is easy. Our example is y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Let's see what happens when we graph it. So at desmos.com or Desmos Graphing Calculator app, we can see where the math happens. So in the first box, we're going to type y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Calculaca. You'll see a smooth U-shaped curve pop up. That's called a parabola. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's focus on where the parabola crosses the x-axis. So right here is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So where does the graph or the parabola cross the x-axis? These points are called the x-intercepts, and they show where y equals 0. And in Desmos, just tap on the curve here where it meets the x-axis, and it'll show the exact points for you. So the exact point is -1, 0. And this one is 5, 0. So our graph crosses at x equals -1 and at 5. That means the solution to our equation, x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0, are x equals -1 and x equals 5. You just found where the parabola hits the ground, and those are your answers. So let's do a quick recap. You type the equation just like you see it in the first box. Okay, and to make the square, you hit the caret symbol with the number 6. You graph it, and then you look where it crosses the x-axis. The x values are your solutions. Pretty awesome, right? Now it's your turn. Graph this one. Y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Where does the parabola cross the x-axis? What are your two solutions? Let me know what you find out.